we are going to make honey chili potatoes in absolute restaurant style. We will use two medium-sized potatoes. We will peel them and cut them lengthwise as French fries. Then we will take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then we will add some water and boil them in low to medium flame until it boils. Then we will continue to boil it for around 5 minutes in low flame. We will turn up the flame and strain the potatoes. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornflour, and we will mix them well. We will take another bowl and we will add 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornflour, 1 tablespoon of salt, and we will add some water and we will mix them well. We will continue to add water and we will finally make a thick batter. Then we are going to add in the boiled potatoes and start coating them. Then we will deep fry the potatoes one by one at a low flame until it turns light golden brown. This should be done exactly in medium flame. While frying another set of potatoes, we will roast some sesame seeds. We will roast them until they start popping. Once the potatoes are all fried, we will now again fry them at high flame for about a minute. This will make potatoes very crispy from out and the color will be light golden brown and you can hear them while taking in a dry plate. Now we'll heat up a Chinese kadai and add in oil to it. After the oil is hot and ready, we will add little amount of chopped garlic. We will fry it until it turns very light brown. Then we will add 2 to 3 green chilies, followed by capsicums and chopped onions. We will cook this in high flame for at least about a minute. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. You can also add more. One teaspoon of Schezwan sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, then we will add the 2 teaspoons of roasted sesame seeds, and then around 1.5 teaspoon of ketchup. A slight pinch of salt. As the sauces already contain salt, we will add it very little. We will add around 1 cup of water to it. We will cook it for some time. A slight pinch of sugar. While the water is boiling, we will add cornflour water mixture until the sauces gets thick. We will cook this in high heat for at least a minute. Then we will add some chopped spring onions. And our main ingredients of the dish, around 2 teaspoons of honey. Thus our sauce is perfect ready. Now we will add the fried potatoes and coat them in sauce very well. The fried potatoes should be thoroughly mixed. After adding them in a plate, we will sprinkle little amount of spring onions and roast sesame seeds. It will give a good look to the dish, and our dish is perfect ready, as you can see. If you have liked the video, please like and subscribe.